Well, it's 6:30 Saturday, and we're just here waiting for the scale to get open. Seems to be that the Flying J people here have a little bit of a problem in actually, just answering the call button or something. I've been sitting here for almost 5 minutes waiting for this one truck to get off the scale. And there's another truck behind him. Then I'm waiting. Morning time, morning time, morning time. Yeah, maybe. Well, yeah, moved up a whole 14 inches. Yeah, so we have a flurry activity this morning. Everybody's finally starting to leave. I just want to get my scale ticket so I can roll down the road and make Brazil, Indiana by tonight. Is that not answering the call for the scale? Are they not answering the call button?
Or jam it, they better get somebody up there.
Yeah, you figure that that's their job. I mean, it shouldn't be that difficult to do. All right. Nice heavy fog. Just past Sidling Hill Service Plaza a moment ago. Heading west on I-76. Mile marker 167. So we still got about 100 miles to our stop for our first load check for the day. It's a little bit above freezing, about 37 degrees. Coming into a rain area, according to the radar. Had nothing but a little bit of misty drizzle all morning so far. But heavy fog is what's on the order for the day so far. So I got about 1/16 of a mile, maybe a little bit more fog. Visibility going on, so I have to keep my eyes peeled, keep looking for the lights. But traffic is light, so we're not doing too bad. look at that. Some clear skies up ahead. All right. That will be nice. That will be nice.
In a half mile, take exit 49, Smithton, and then slight right at 0.2 miles.
Alright, we're pulling off here to this Flying J. We're going to do our next load check, our first load check of the day.
In a quarter mile, take exit 49, Smithton, and then slight right at 0.2 miles.
No, first load check besides our pre-trip. And we'll go use the bathroom, get a cup of ice. Now, I've stayed at this one before. You know, several months ago. I think when I was with my last company. I think I stayed here. I was making a carpet delivery up in
900 feet,
near Pittsburgh.
Turn right at 660 feet.
Let's see, it was northwest side of Pittsburgh. Excuse me. All right. Come on, meathead. Make up your mind what you're doing. Man. It's not that hard to turn.
You have arrived at your destination on the left side. Flying J Travel Plaza number 620.
Maybe he's just learning how to drive. Maybe that made him too critical. You know, maybe he's just learning how to drive. And a gentle bump against the curb. All right. Turn those off. Let's see. Yeah, it is now 9:30 in the morning. road is doing just fine, just fine. Not bad. Like I said, we're gonna go here, go use the bathroom, then get ourselves back on the road.